This is a DOM ix6 kg. I'm trying to get on video. So, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, 4. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Try the interactive element. Maybe that's set. I just dropped something though. Probably that interactive element. There we go. Alright, I had it set. I just didn't have the interactive element set all the way. So this is a DOM ix6 kg. It only has 6 of those DOM shark. Ooh, shit! It only has 6 of those DOM shark fin pins in the interactive element. I mean, it has stuff for key control, but that's just all it is. Getting your pick on those fins is hard. You know, really the easiest way to do it is to use a regular pick, but the warding on that just makes it too hard to get that regular pick in there, so I had to do it with dimple flags. But anyway, DOM ix6 kg.